First thing we're going to do is pick our parsley. We're going to want just the leaves. Make sure to save our stems. There's lots of great flavor there that we can easily extract later on. Next, we'll roughly chiffonade our parsley. Chiffonade means little ribbons. From there, we'll fine chop our herb. We're going to pick and fine chop our cilantro. We'll fine chop our garlic. Toasting in a pot over heat, we'll toast our cumin seeds and grind them fresh. This will give a beautiful boost of flavor and activate its aromatic compounds. Combining our parsley cilantro mix, we'll add garlic, cumin, red chili flakes, salt, black pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. Make sure to mix thoroughly and adjust seasoning as needed. Right before serving, add red wine vinegar. This will ensure your chimichurri stays bright and green. When slicing tri-tip, the secret is to break it down the middle and cut it cross-grain from there. This will keep it tender and easy to chew.